HTML attributes gives extra information to HTML elements and control their behavior. Extra information means how an element should behave, what the user should type or click, and how the browser should handle it. For example, let's take an input element. If we don't give the type attribute, a normal text box will appear. But if we give the type attribute as email, the input box will accept only email formats. If the user enters anything else, it will show an error. That's why HTML attributes are very important. The first HTML attribute is ID. ID is a unique identity for an HTML element. No two elements should have the same ID. Once an ID is used for one element, it cannot be used again for another element. This is the rule in HTML. For example, I gave a paragraph element an ID called title. In my CSS file, I used hashtag title as the selector. An ID selector always starts with the hash. I applied blue color, 24 pixel font size and bold font weight. You can see in the output that the styles are applied correctly. Using the same ID for one element is valid, but using the same ID for multiple elements is not allowed in HTML. The second important attribute is class. Class is used to style multiple elements together. It helps us group elements and apply the same styles. Here I gave two paragraph elements the same class name text. In CSS, the class selector starts with a dot. The same styles are applied to both paragraphs. Even though styles may apply if you use the same ID on multiple elements, that is not correct HTML practice.